Hello, I'm Reese from Devil's Botany Distillery. I'm here at TT Liqueur, where the team have created a Brandy Alexander with Devil's Botany chocolate absinthe liqueur. And here's Kay to show you how to make it.
Hi guys, it's Kay. I'm back here at TT Liqueur. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make another really classic cocktail. We are going to be making a Brandy Alexander. First thing going in there is going to be my brandy, and we're using this lovely Hennessy Cognac. And I want 25 mils or 1 shot of my cognac. Right, now we're ready for our chocolate liqueur. We're going to be using this really nice Devil's Botany chocolate absinthe liqueur. Now I want 15 mils of my chocolate liqueur. Next up is our Cacao Blanc, and just like the other one, we want 15 mils of our Cacao Blanc. Perfect. Now we've only got one more ingredient going in here, and that is going to be some double cream. So I want 50 mils of our double cream. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up with some cubed ice and give it a shake. Put my tin on, big smack to seal it, and we'll give this a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. All right, beautiful. So we'll pop that open. Take my glass, which has been chilling on the side here, get rid of some of that crushed ice, and then I'll strain my drink into the glass like so. And finally, to garnish this, I've just got some fresh nutmeg. So I'm just going to grate a little bit of nutmeg over the top of my drink. And that is our Brandy Alexander ready to drink.